Alright guys, today I am going to be installing my Egan Performance straight shot muffler on my Holzforma G660, which is an MS660 clone. First I'm going to crank this dude up and let you hear what it sounds like before I get this thing installed. One thing real quick that I'm not entirely sure on is when I took off the cover of this, it's going to be too dark in there. It looks like looks like that's a spark arrestor in there maybe. I'm not entirely too sure, so I wonder if I need to take this one off or not. I have no idea. It looks like that one in there is a removable one, so I don't know why I would need two, but I just got on their website and looked, and it doesn't say anything about taking this one off. So I'm a little confused. I've already installed one on my 362C, and I left that one on, so I guess I'm just going to leave this one on too. And I'm going to continue mounting this up, and then I'm going to probably retune it on camera. I bought one of these little $10 RPM tacks off of eBay, and to retune it, because if you're not, you'll run your saw too lean, is what I'm reading. So you need to retune it. Of course, the 362C is really easy. So this one is manual carb adjustment, so I'm gonna have to go through kind of the pains of getting that just right. So all right, I got my 4 to 5 windings on my spark plug wire, got that ready to go. Everything should be ready now to tune this thing. Manual says to keep it under 13.5, so 13,500 RPM. So I'm going to fire this thing up and see what it is right out the gate without any modifications. Let's see. Most people say to tune it to like 13,000. See if that. All right. Get my Ear Pro on real quick. All right, here we go. Alright, so it's pretty much exactly on 13.5. I would say once it gets pretty warmed up, I'm going to dial it back just a hair. The low sounds a little high, but it is not moving the chain, so I think that's interesting. Man, I don't know if I should even mess with it right now, to be honest. I was pretty happy with that tack. I think I am going to dial down that high end just a little bit though, and then play with that that low end just to kind of fine tune it a little bit more. But yeah, it's actually really close, a lot closer than I was expecting. That thing sounds really mean too. I'm gonna do a backed up wide angle view once I get this thing tuned out, and we'll check out the trigger response and see what she sounds like. Alright, I've got it tuned to 12.8. Pretty happy with that. I'm going to pull the spark plug after I cut with it for just a little bit. Make sure it's not too lean or too rich. If it's too lean, your spark plug will be a little white on the end. If it's too rich, it'll be black, and you want it that muddy brown color. So that's your telltale sign to know if you're too rich or too lean. Let me give this thing a little fire up, and we'll do a little demonstration. To be honest, I can't tell a huge sound difference in this saw. It sounds a lot similar to the old muffler, believe it or not. There was an enormous difference on my 362C, huge difference. But this one, there's not a ton of difference, to be honest. But all right, I'm gonna fire this thing up, and we'll play with the throttle a little bit and max RPM. Oh, I'm making a video. There's the rain. I just looked over at the RPMs, and that was 12.7 RPM, so I'm happy with that. Like I said, I'm going to run it in some wood, see how I like it. So yeah, I'm really happy. EganPerformanceSaws.com, $60, definitely worth it.